So these are Goodway's light commercial steamers. They're a newest addition to our product lineup. These units are all 115 volt and designed for applications in housekeeping, for cleaning hotel bathrooms, cleaning restrooms, healthcare facilities, cleaning stretchers, wheelchairs, other equipment in hospitals and healthcare facilities, veterinarian applications, cleaning animal cages, quick service restaurant, kitchen cleaning, griddle cleaning, and a variety of applications where you want to go in with a green clean effect. You don't want to use chemical. All the units come with a variety of accessories. Standard with all three, or you get the steam gun and hose, get a set of extension wands, a variety of brushes, get a lance, and then you get a triangular and a rectangular floor tool. You can use either the thermal fiber cloth that comes with the unit, or if you already have microfiber cloths on site, just clip them in there. Now you're able to, in a hotel situation, use this to kill bed bugs on a mattress. It leaves very little moisture, kills the bed bugs, so it's a quick and easy clean, and ready to put that room back into service. For kitchen cleaning, we have a plunger attachment where you can put on the end of the gun. Lets you steam a drain or a grease trap, kill the bacteria, melt the grease. Also great for tub drains and sink drains in bathrooms. All these units come with a variety of accessories and are backed by a 2-year warranty. And that's it.